I like to decorate the gingerbread first because for me it's just a little bit easier when the pieces are laying flat. This house came with some candy, but for this video I've added some other candy that I like. My first tip is don't put the icing tip too much for this part so your lines aren't that messy. Alright, now let's add some candy. When building the gingerbread house, I like to cut the icing tip a bit more so you get a generous amount of icing. I like to line the trays with lots of icing and add a can for extra support. Next up is building the roof, which can be a little bit difficult with gravity wanting to pull it down. A little tip here is to use a paper bag and icing. Let it dry and leave a small space between the two cookies. This paper bag trick helps so much with getting your roof to stay in one place.